Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a blur option over your video in CapCut. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your CapCut video editor, select new project and select your video which one you actually want to edit. Then add it. Right now I'm gonna show you the most easiest way to add blur effect over your video. So you just need to scroll on right side, select sticker. Then if you just scroll, there have an option you can see. This option you just need to select. Right now where you want to blur, you just need to replace this in a specific place. So that's it. Right now you can see this is blur option already added. So in this way you can add blur effect or blur option in any particular area by using CapCut. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.